Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable the screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and go to display. And now here, if you scroll down, you should eventually find the screensaver at the bottom. So let's go there. And now here, if you want to enable the screensaver, you need to choose one of these four options. We have colors, we have photo table, photo frame, and photos. These photo options have settings, so you can tap on these and on this gear icon in order to access the settings. So let's allow all, and now over here we can choose whatever we want to use. So over here we have camera photos. If we go back, we can also go to photo frame, which works where the settings have the same options, of course. And if we go to photos, then I assume we should be able to choose specific photos, or actually not. We can use Wi-Fi for data, photos full screen, and animated zoom effect. So we can also press the preview button in order to take a look how it looks like. So over here we have colors. For the photo table, we have no pictures, unfortunately. So let's select the camera actually. And there we go, we have some pictures from our gallery, and so on and so forth. And that's it. If you want to turn it off, then of course choose none. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!